Yo, what is going on, guys? This updated video today is going to be showing you how to get free Robux in Roblox 2026. I've managed to find some Roblox promo codes that's going to allow you to get 10,000 Robux for completely free. And this is a super simple method. Like I said, this is just a promo code that you can redeem in the Roblox website, and it is going to supply your account with 10,000 free Robux. Now, guys, I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway as well. So if you don't want to follow the steps in this video, you can enter my giveaway by liking this video, subscribing to my YouTube channel, and dropping your Roblox username in the comment section below. I am going to be scrolling down beneath this video and picking a ton of people from the comments. So make sure you do spam your Roblox username, and yeah, you could win some awesome gift cards. But this tutorial today is going to take about 5 minutes. Super easy. Everyone can do this, and it is going to get you a Roblox promo code for 10,000 free Robux. And this is working right now in 2026, and it is super simple. So what you're going to want to do, guys, is first of all, I'll show you where you have to get your code, where you have to redeem your code. And as you can see, 10,000 Robux is probably about $100 US. So what you're going to want to do is, first of all, let's show you Roblox redeem promo code or redeem code. And it's going to be in the Roblox website here. So let's click on this site, and it's going to bring up here. So it says redeem your Roblox code. So you will enter your code into this box, and it is going to basically give your account 10,000 Robux. So let's show you how to get it. You need to use your mobile internet browser. You can do this on Android or iPhone, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So let's type that in, Crash Coupons. Okay, so type it like this, copy that down, guys. If you haven't seen Crash Coupons before, highly recommend you bookmark them, because they actually have like hundreds of different codes on here. They don't only have Roblox promo codes, they have specific games as well. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is use the search bar. It says search here, and just type in exactly like this, Roblox promo codes. Because if you just type in Roblox, you're going to get tons of different like Roblox games pop up. As you can see, so you do need to search for Roblox promo codes. Now, as you can see, this is the verified coupon code page. Thousands of people have used these. The most popular code is definitely this one, the 10,000 free Robux. Get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox. So now you want to click on get code. And as you can see, there are almost 500 codes, but they do add codes often, so they'll never run out. As long as you can find this code, that means they're still available, and it's going to find you one. And as you can see, it says your code is ready, and you need to complete a quick verification to unlock your free Roblox promo code. So to do that, you need to click on get full code, and it's going to bring up this page here. Now, it does take about 5 minutes to complete this step, but it is really easy. And this basically prevents people getting more than one of these limited codes. So you can only do this once. I've already done it, so I won't run through the full process. But you need to complete 2 of the free offers below. And that is going to unlock your Robux code from Crash Coupons. And you need to make sure you follow the instructions below. So basically, guys, you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this screen. Don't panic, they're all completely free, and they only take a few minutes each. But there is a set of instructions basically that tells you how to complete each one. They're really easy, guys. They're like installing mobile apps, like you click on it. So as an example, like this one I'll show you, it says download, install this app and create an account. So you would tap on it, and it'll take you to the App Store where you just download that app and you create an account, and that one will be completed. So yeah, just make sure you do follow the steps, fully complete 2 of those, and it'll send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your free Robux promo code will be revealed. So you grab the code from here, then you obviously redeem it where I showed you in this website here, the Roblox website, enter the code in here, and that is how to get free Robux. That's going to get you 10,000 of them. So go to Crash Coupons, find this Roblox promo codes page, so make sure you do search for that. and select the 10,000 Robux code. I am doing that gift card giveaway as well, so make sure you like, subscribe, and spam your Roblox username in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.